How to fix honor sound problem. Hello friends, welcome back to How to Fix It YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'll tell you that how you can fix the sound problem in any of your honor device. So guys, if you are using honor phone and if you have a sound problem, then guys watch this video. Okay, but guys, before starting the video I would like to tell you something. Okay, if your speaker is not working, okay, if your speaker is not working, then guys you cannot fix the problem by just doing out here the solutions. Okay, you have to go to technician and you have to repair your speaker. Okay, you have to change your speaker, then only guys your problem will be fixed. Otherwise guys, you cannot fix it by just doing solution in your device. Okay, if you have a sound problem and if your speaker is totally not working or if your speaker is damaged, okay, so in that case you cannot fix it by your own. So you have to go to technician, go to customer service, they will fix your problem. But guys, if the problem is not like that, okay, you can play music or your speaker is in working condition. Okay, and if if you don't have a hardware problem, then guys you can fix it. Okay, so how you can fix the sound problem, let's check it out. But guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest update. So now we can go for the solution. At the first step guys, you have to go to setting, and then guys, you will get this kind of interface. Now you have to go to your sound option. Okay, so first we'll do the sound setting. So at the first step guys, you have to disable the silent mode. Okay, disable the silent mode, and vibrate in silent mode, it is your wish. Okay, so let's go to do not disturb mode. If your do not disturb mode is enabled, okay, if your do not disturb mode is enabled, then guys make sure to disable your DND service. Okay, this will give you the sound problem, so make sure to disable it, and after that restart your phone once and then guys check it, your problem will be fixed. Okay, so first do this solution and then guys check it. If your problem is solved, then guys it's great. If your problem doesn't get fixed, then guys go to your setting again, scroll it down, go to system and click on reset. Okay, click on the reset. Now you have to click on reset all setting. So this will reset all the settings in default mode. So you have to click on reset all settings, give your mobile password, and then guys click on this red letters. Okay, reset all settings. So you have to click there and you have to reset your setting. So after resetting your mobile setting, again try to check your sound problem is solved or not. Okay, so guys, this should fix your sound problem. So if your sound problem is solved, then guys your job is done. And if you are still having the same problem, then guys you need to go for another solution, and that is you have to update your software. Okay, so go to your system and update your software. So after updating the software, your sound problem will be definitely solved. So make sure to update your software, and guys always increase your sound from here. Okay, like this, or you can do this setting from here also on the sound option. Okay, this is your media sound and this is your ringtone volume, and this is the alarms, this is the call volume. Okay, so guys, do the sound settings and follow up their solutions which I've shown you. So if you have a problem in the software, then guys you can fix the problem by doing this solution. Okay, so that's it guys, this is the sound problem solution. I hope this video will be definitely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.